Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to spool a brand new spinning reel and a brand new bait caster for all you beginners out there who maybe this is your first time or you've done it a couple times but you just need a little bit refresher. But let's jump right into it. So the line we're going to be putting on here is this XL armor coated monofilament line. But the first thing I like to do on these is on this side of them, they all have this little cutout, and it's to pull the string right through it, as you can see here, which is gonna make your life a lot easier because then the spool back here has nowhere to go. So that is the first thing I like to do when I start getting ready to run new line on a reel, is just pull the line straight through the box, just like that. So the first reel we're gonna spool is this spinning reel right here. I'm just gonna start with this one. So the first thing I like to do is just create a little loop like this and then run my line in a little figure eight like that, and then just figure eight it, if I can get it. And then pull the line straight through and go back through that little loop right there that you just made on your figure eight. Oh my gosh. There we go. And then you take the big figure eight and you just loop it right over the top of the reel, just like this. Then you get it tied on there nice and snug, just like this. As you can see right there, it's not going anywhere. It's actually just spooling around. Then all you gotta do is just flip the bail. And the one thing that I normally like to do is put it on the rod and then run it through the first eyelet, so then it holds it and makes it a little bit easier to string it. But you can do it this way too. It's just a little bit more challenging. Sometimes you gotta back up, just get the string tight, and then you kind of just have to angle it down. And then once you get it, you should just be able to go straight into it. Then once you're done spooling it all up, there's a little tab on some rods just like this, if you don't have, or on some reels, if you don't have it hooked onto a rod. I just like to see this little tag end line, it just runs it straight through here. Now that we're done with this, we're gonna jump right into spooling the bait caster. So with the bait caster, we're gonna be using the exact same line, just ran it outside the box again. So the first thing is this little eyelet right here. You're gonna have to go through this just like that. As you can see, the tag end of the string is right here in my hand now. And then on the actual reel, there's these little holes, and I like to go through like two of them that are right close to each other and then pull it straight up. So now, just like that, I have it through two of those little loops, as you can see right there. And then I got the tag end right there, and then the actual line right there. And what I like to do is I like to pull it close and just see this little loop right here of the actual line right there. I like to run the tag end straight through it, then take the tag end and open up the little loop right here and go straight back through. And then all you have to do is a line that you pulled right out of the top, just cinch it down just like that. And right there, it creates a nice little knot, as you can see right there, that's gonna hold that line for you. You're gonna have to hold the line right out in front of the bait caster, just through two fingers, just like this. Then slowly just reel that line in, and it's gonna start to put line on your reel just like that. So now that I'm done spooling the line, I ran out of line actually, that's why I didn't fully spool it. But see, there's this little bar right here And when I don't have it hooked up to my actual rod and it's not ready, I just like to take the line just like this, slip it through that little bar right there, pull it through just like that. As you can see, the tag ends right there, but then the line is still around my finger. I just like to loop it around and tie it right there. Just tie it right there, just like that, around. So then all you have to do, snip it quick, pull it, and it's still coming right out that eyelet, and you can put it right on the reel or right on the rod and then tie up a lure, and you are easy peasy, fast, ready to go out fishing. But that is how I spool my 2 reels. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and like more outdoor content, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video.